Okay, Homer, pick out any one you want.
Are you sure you want to give me a car?
Hey, you know what these things cost me? There's maybe $40 worth of steel in them.
Oh, okay. I'd like a big one then.
We don't have a big one.
Why not?
Because Americans don't want big cars.
Well, then give me one with lots of pep.
Sorry, our cars don't have pep.
Why not?
Because Americans want good mileage, not pep.
Homer, tell the nice man what country you come from.
America.
Do you hear that, you morons? This is why we're getting killed in the marketplace. Instead of listening to what people want, you're telling them what they want. Homer, meet my team of engineers. They're gonna build your car.
Hiya, team.
Now, boys and girls, this project is our top priority. Everything else is on hold. I don't want to see anything until it's finished.
But sir, that's ridiculous.
Direct all your questions to Mr. Homer Simpson, the man with the vision, the man who's going to bust this company out of its rut, the man who's going to change American transportation forever.
So, what kind of car would you like, Mr. Simpson?
I don't know.
All right, you eggheads! I want a place in this car to put my drink.
Sir, the car has a beverage holder.
Hello! Hello, Einstein! I said a place to put my drink. You know those super slankers they sell in the Quickie Mart? The cup is this big.
Extremely large beverage holder.
I'm not done yet. You know that little ball you put on the aerial so you can find your car in the parking lot? That should be on every car.
Little ball.
And some things are so snazzy they never go out of style, like tail fins and bubble domes and shanks. I want a horn here, here, and here. You can never find a horn when you're mad. And they should all play La Cucaracha.
Can do, Mr. S.
And sometimes the kids are in the back seat. They're hollering. They're making you nuts. There's got to be something you can do about that.
Maybe a built-in video game would keep them entertained?
You're fired. What is my brother paying you for?
What about a separate soundproof bubble dome for the kids with optional restraints and muzzles?
Bullseye! And another thing, when I gun the motor, I want people to think the world is coming to an end. Rum, rum, rum! No, 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 no!
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed stockholders, members of the press, Your Holiness, tonight we are going to witness automotive history.
All my life, I have searched for a car that feels a certain way. Powerful like a gorilla, yet soft and yielding like a Nerf ball. Now at last, I have found it.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the car designed for the average man, the Homer.
Any questions?
What does this monstrosity cost?
Jerry, what's the sticker price? $82,000! This monstrosity cost $82,000! What have I done? I mean, the zoo was fun, but I'm ruined!